All right, so here we are doing a test, and we're gonna record a vlog with this camera today. The 360 X2. I put the name right here for you guys to check it out. But what I wanted to do was that I want to record an entire vlog with this to see how it works. I'm sure the audio is not going to be great. I'm sure that it's just, it's just not going to be great audio. Nevertheless, I wanted to come here and record a video. First of all, I want to show you my truck and say hi, Manny. Yeah. Manny doesn't want to say hi. But I wanted to, he's so funny. I wanted to record my truck real quick because I'm thinking about selling my truck. And here's the thing, you know what? I love my truck. I really, really do. I got a 2014 truck, Chevy Silverado. Here you can see it right there. So again, it's the crew cab. I'm gonna give you kind of like a tour right here. And I dig it. Let's say hi to Manny. Maybe he wants to say hi now. Hi, Manny. I love you. You wanted to be in the video. You don't want to be in the video now? All because McDonald's is right there. But again, 2014 Chevy Silverado. This is a VA, and I'm going to tell you the truth. I don't know everything about trucks. I'm not like a truck guy or anything like that. However, been thinking about selling it because, or not selling it, trading the truck in because, the simple fact that it's coming up to 73,000 miles and they have so many great deals nowadays. And I was just thinking about it. Maybe I turn it in, I'm still making payments on it, and maybe I get myself a newer truck. But at the same time, this is a Jarhead 6 ride. I mean, I like riding motorcycles, so obviously I'm not rich. If I go for a truck or for a newer truck, then you know what? Maybe I won't be able to essentially buy a better bike. And it's kind of interesting because, believe it or not, 73,000 miles, and I have equity in the truck, and I have a pretty good amount, a couple $1,000s in equity right now, and they also are like $4,500 on rebates. So we got $4,500 on rebates. We have about maybe $2,000 in the car on the truck on equity. We got about $6,500 that I could get a new truck, and I'm really debating to think about it. Now I got a couple things that I'm kind of like, I don't know about that. There is the 2019 and above. Their engine is a 2.7 V4 turbo. Now, again, I'm not an expert in trucks or anything like that, but this truck right here is actually a VA 5-point-something liter. And this is actually an LT level 2, I think, whatever that is, which, again, it came with is the LT trim, and it has leather. Now, I saw the LT right there, right? And I thought about it, but I really can't afford the LT, or maybe it's not that I can't afford it, is that I don't want to afford it because I don't want a crazy payment, right? So I got this letter in the mail, and the letter says, hey, we know you got a truck. We know that, that you service a truck here at the dealer. We want to buy your truck, and we want to give you a new truck for this amount of payment a month, right? So here's the thing, the payment that they say compared to my payment is about $40 more. So for about $40 more, I could get a new truck. I need to check on the insurance, but it won't be the LT that is like, it won't be the one like this one, right? It won't be like the one that has leather. You guys can see some of the leather here. I have like the dashboard, whoever had it put like red trim, which it kind of matched the truck in the outside. Again, I apologize, the truck is really dirty, but you know what, it's a truck. So I don't know if that's custom or whatever it was, but again, I got heater, seat, and all that stuff. This right here has the voice command, which the custom trucks does not have. So it has the voice command, like I said, leather, voice command. It's not 4x4, but it has a V8 engine, and again, I'm gonna put a picture here of the truck that I was looking at. It is a crew cab. Again, it's a custom and it looks like a decent truck. It's not in the dealer yet. It's supposed to arrive there this week. And again, I may put leather, but it doesn't come with leather. And I don't know. I really don't know. Yeah, one thing, I get a newer truck, which is cool. Getting a new truck, 0 miles. Obviously, you have that insurance that, you know, if it breaks, they're going to fix it and all that. This one has 73,000 miles, which it kind of sucks a little bit. It has a good amount of miles. I have put over 30,000 miles in this truck, I believe. So, again, you have that new truck, but I am going to lose a couple things. The bed is not... Let me show you my bed. My bed has that spray tin that you see right here. Look at the pollen, right? So I have the bed, which is really nice. Look at some of the toys in there. So I had that cover. I guess you could put them in the truck, but it's going to be an additional $500. I have the running boards as well. Look at the running boards right there. I have nice rims. I just put tires maybe a few months ago. But again, I got the running boards, which is really, really nice. And again, you know, the new trucks does not have running boards. So I will have to buy the running boards. I will have to buy the cover for the bed, because I really want that cover for that bed. And I just gonna have to buy several other things to get the truck to what I want. But nevertheless, it may not be a bad idea at all. Again, new truck, maybe doesn't have some of the things that this one have. This one have like heater seats and all that. We in Florida, we don't really need that much heater anything. But again, I don't know. I really don't know. I like to hear you guys' thought when it comes down to the 2.7 V4 turbo. Now, I did a bunch of search here in the internet, and it seems cool, man. Like, it really does. Everyone says, well, if you're not going to be towing, anything crazy, which I thought was going to, but really not. But if you're not going to be towing, you don't really use it for construction or anything like that. I don't. There's reasons why I like a truck. I may get into that in a different videos. But it's reason why I like the trucks, right? But again, you know what? I don't really tow that much. If I tow, is the motorcycle, the Road King, maybe 800-900 pounds, but that's about it. So again, if you're not towing, the V4 turbo does just fine. It kind of loses a little bit of that V8 sound, and I guess it takes away some of that privilege to I guess in a way brag, right? But you're not going to be bragging with a V4. But apparently the V4, you know, turbo is supposed to be even as stronger as some of the V6, older V6 back in the day. So it may not be a bad deal. And all the videos that I watch, a lot of guys are car salesmen, but other videos that I watch, it seems to me that people like it. Again, they like it for the purpose that they use it, right? You're not going to be doing crazy stuff with a V4 turbo, but you still have the ability to have a nice looking truck. If you go to Lowe's, Home Depot or something, you could just put whatever in the back. You still could sit and have enough space. It's important to me to have space because my children and things like that. So you still get those benefits, but at the same time, you also get the benefits of 20 miles per gallon. I'm averaging about 13.5 miles, right? But again, you know what? It has been a really good truck. I love my truck, and that's one of the reasons where I'm thinking, like, I don't even care. You know, I'm not going to get another truck unless it's a really good deal to me. But again, it's a V8, so we're going to this 2.7 V4 turbo engine that I don't know much about it. I don't know. And then again, 2019, since they came out, been a couple years. Maybe some of you guys have that kind of truck. Let me know down in the comment section below, because I am really looking to get one of these trucks if it's possible. I'm not rushing, so if it's not a good deal for me, I'm gonna pass it. I'm actually quickly to say no, then more quickly to say yes, if that make any sense. Let me know what you think. Put comments down below, and as always, God is in control.